Hey, it's Fuzzy. Okay, you guys, this is the Markal Thermomelt heat stick. Now, this is the one that goes up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to show you how it works. Man, they're cool, I'll tell you what. Now, this one here, you can actually change out the stick itself, okay? So you can take this out when you get down too far where it don't come out no more, and then you can put a new one in if you want, okay? And this just screws on. This is all aluminum on the end here, so it doesn't get too hot. And basically the whole pan is aluminum, so it doesn't get hot. I'm going to show you how this works in a second, but yeah, it's got a pocket clip on it, and you can carry that around wherever you want, and go from there. All right, let's demo it. All right, we got our Markal thermal melt heat stick. Now, this is good till 121 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to heat this half-inch rod up and see how long it takes. I've got this KK7's magnetic inducer heater, so we're not using any fire. We're going to see how long this takes to get this heated up. All right, let's turn it on. There's the light is on. Here we go. Well, I can feel that heat already. Look at that thing getting hot. Alright, let's try it. Yeah, look at that. Already. Just like that. What was that? 30 seconds? She's 250 degrees. Melting that stick like crazy. Look at that. Now you know what temperature that stick can go to. They're awesome, man. And I don't even feel the heat here. No, because it's all aluminum. That's awesome. Alright, that's my review. Thanks for coming.